Today we are going to start a new chapter, physical activity and leadership training. In this chapter mainly we discuss about meaning and definition of leadership. It is a well-known fact that no two individuals are alike. There is always a difference of degree among individuals in terms of quality as well as quantity. These individual differences force the people to adopt the path of a leader or path of followers. Leadership we can simply define. Leadership may be defined as the quality of a person to lead others in the various facets of life. Leadership defined as the quality of a person to lead others in the various facets of life. Leadership is needed in every profession. In the field of physical education, leadership also required to ensure continuous growth and vitality of the profession. It is a critical situation that leaders emerge from among students now preparing for this profession. This is all about leadership. Now move into leadership qualities. Leadership qualities are energetic, front lines and affection, technically skilled, intelligent, teaching skill, creative, interest in research, good health, dedication and determination, high motor capacity, respect for other people, social, logical and decision maker, morality and loyalty, and good communicator. These are the qualities of leadership. Briefly explain each one of them. First one is energetic. To be energetic is necessary for a leader in the field of physical education. It is the basic requirement of this profession. Next is technically skilled. A leader in the field of physical education should be technically skilled. He or she should be an expert of his discipline and specialization. Next is intelligent. A leader of physical education should have intelligence. Intelligence is the ability of an individual to find out the possible solution of various complex problems. He should be able to find the simple solution to complex problems. Next is teaching skill. A leader in this field should have the deep knowledge of various teaching skills. Now, physical education is taught in classroom as a subject, so he should be efficient in various teaching methods. Next is creative. A leader in the field of physical education should be creative. Such leader can produce new techniques or ideas which are needed in the field of physical education. Next is interest in research. It is very significant quality of a leader in the field of physical education. He should have keen interest in research work. Next is good health. A leader in the field of physical education should have good health. Such a leader can work for longer duration without any feeling of fatigue. Next is dedication and determination. Dedication and determination are vital qualities for a leader in this profession. He should have firm determination. Next is high motor capacity. That means a leader of physical education must have high motor fitness. For this purpose, he should develop all the components of physical fitness such as strength, speed, endurance, flexibility, and coordinative abilities. Next is respect for other people. A leader in this profession should respect other people. If he does not respect others, he will not be respected. Next is social. A leader in the field of physical education should be social. He must have various social qualities like brotherhood, sympathy, cooperation, tolerance, helpfulness, patience, honesty, etc. Next is logical and decision maker. A leader of physical education should be able to discuss the problems of logically. He should also be a good decision maker at right time. Next is morality and loyalty. Morality and loyalty are significant qualities of a leader in the field of physical education. He should be loyal to his followers. And last one is about good communicator. Communication is essential and integral to positive leadership. So, in the field of physical education, a leader should be a good communicator. A good communicator can express his views in the better way. It plays a very effective role in teaching as well as coaching process. Next, our subtopic, role of a leader. A good sports leader can direct certain sporting situations or sports sections to help guide and motivate group of people on skills, regulations and health and safety. For example, sports leadership is how a sports leader achieves their aims of a section or competition. If you can communicate at various levels, you will be able to bridge the gap between players, other coaches, the oppositions and officials. You can communicate verbally, etc. The skills of a leader are communication, evaluating each sessions, target setting, structuring activities, knowledge of the sport or game, and organizing equipment, etc. These are the role of a leader. Next subtopic is creating leaders through physical education, or process for creating or making leaders through physical education. It cannot be said that the future of physical education is very bright. In fact, the future of physical education depends on the quality of leadership. So, the leaders who are working in this profession need to think about these qualities. The leaders of the future must have these qualities. The present day leaders will have to inculcate the appropriate qualities in the students who are entering in this profession. They should not concentrate on traditional qualities. The time is changing very fast. The leaders in the field of physical education have both type of qualities, that is innate qualities and acquired qualities. For creating or making the effective and efficient leaders in the field of physical education, the following points are given. The foremost point for work in this area is to analyze which leadership skills are already well developed among the students and which are required for further development. So try to know the status where they stand with the help of various questions such as: do they have clear plan of activities? Do they communicate instructions clearly and encourage those they lead? And are they students they are leading motivated, concentrating well and making progress? These are about questions about it. Next is, after that, identify the students or group of students whose leadership skills you most want to improve. Decide whether you want to have more students actively involved in leadership activities, or you want to give the chance to young leaders to further improve their leadership skills. Next is, for improving leadership skills, some of the approaches mentioned below can be used properly. That means, offer the students a range of leadership roles such as supervising the managing sports activities. They may be appointed as captains of different sports teams, give various responsibilities such as members of various committees, official duties and ground preparation duties, supporting other students in their play, organizing festival and assisting teachers and coaches in running clubs and teams. Provide team some leadership courses. Make sure that any course you run lead to an application of the knowledge, skill and understanding in a valuable context. Give them opportunities to continue developing their skills. Provide a range of leadership opportunities that progress in challenge and complexity. In this way, they can progress. Recognize the leaders by giving a cap, top, or other uniform. This will be a force to motivation of their students. It is also necessary to have faith and confidence in students. Show them that you believe that they can improve their leadership skills. Give them some reward for improvement and give more responsibility to successful students. And last but not the least, step to improve the leadership skills through physical education is to start again. Make proper analysis of success, then look at the areas where there is a room for further improvement, because it is a well-known fact that there is always a big room for improvement. This is all about process for creating or making leaders through physical education.